I'm excited to meet other students who have been working on this project and see like what everybody has brought to it.
When you go to different countries, you're going to spot like some small things that you've never seen it before. So it's kind of fascinating.
I've never seen this many bikes before. I think being able to travel to a brand new country off of your creative work, that's a huge part of it.
I like the way we collect inspiration from many sources.
It's so beautiful.
As I grow, bring different experiences, especially like travel and stuff, it influences my work. New places, new people.
I'm excited to know more about Pandora, like what you're doing, and like in terms of like accessibility production.
Be Love is not just a tagline. There is a meaning behind it, giving a voice to people's loves. I feel like we do that really authentically. It's not just a slogan, because we know that people buy our jewelry as a vehicle to also express love.
It's so meaningful for us to see our product everywhere. It's making us really proud.
Sometimes I just like look through my photos from the past couple of years and take some inspiration from there. My friends back home, I think about the things that I would want to make for them.
My mum taught me to sew, so she is very influential in all of my work. And I like to start all of my collections from the home.
Listen to rhythm, like sometimes I translate my design, also like the lyrics. Music artists use a lot of metaphor. It really helps.
I was quite lucky to be brought up in a creative family. My family loves drawing and making things.
For me, I was encouraged by hearing how sometimes the same design will take like 15 or 16 different iterations. And I think it's reassuring to hear that even in the industry, it takes that long to get the result you wanted.